I tried Hotbit Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I installed the Hotbit Wallet app, I thought it would just be another basic crypto storage tool. But after 7 days of testing, the shocking truth is that Hotbit isn't really a wallet in the traditional sense. It's a hybrid exchange platform disguised as one. On day 1, setup was quick. I registered with an email, verified my account, and immediately noticed something unusual. Instead of creating a non-custodial wallet, Hotbit holds your funds on its platform. That means it's a custodial system. They control the private keys, not you. By day 2, I began trading. Hotbit supports a massive range of tokens, over 1,000, including rare altcoins that most exchanges don't list. The interface felt smooth, and the app offered both spot trading and investment plans. But here's where it gets tricky. Most people don't realize that holding funds on Hotbit means you're trusting them completely with your assets. Midweek, I explored the investment section, which promises high returns on certain tokens. The rates looked appealing, but after digging deeper, I found that many of these come with unclear risk levels and third-party dependencies. The app's design makes it look easy, but the transparency around how those returns are generated isn't always clear. By day 5, I tested deposits and withdrawals. Transfers were processed, but with longer wait times compared to decentralized wallets. And during my research, I discovered that Hotbit had previously paused operations due to investigations, something most new users might overlook. After 7 days, the shocking truth became crystal clear. Hotbit isn't just a wallet, it's an exchange with wallet-like features. It's great for exploring rare tokens and quick trades, but if you value true ownership of your crypto, this isn't the tool for you. If you're a trader chasing variety and fast swaps, Hotbit can be convenient. But for long-term holders, always remember, not your keys, not your coins.